YouTube, so I'm gonna take you on my dread journey. This is the first full day that I have had my dreads, and I just want to tell you about my experience getting them. It was very fast. Since I had like a lot of hair, it took maybe about an hour, but if you have shorter hair, it might take about 30 minutes to 20 minutes, but not very that long. The process of getting them is when she's done, when she twists them up, you have to sit on the dryer, which is one thing that I just didn't like because it made me sweat and I was hot, you know. And, you know, of course you're going to have some insecurities when you first get them done about the volume and the shrinkage, because some people's hair like stop all the way to their in the middle of their back and they get dreads and their hair is like is right there to their shoulders and they don't like the shrinkage. So these are mine. The shrinkage is okay with me because I know eventually it'll grow back. I wouldn't suggest playing with them, but you know, I'm just showing you mine. And I'll see if I can put some pictures of how my hair used to be. And then my loctician told me to use tea tree oil and a do-rag because she wants them to go like this way. It's kind of hard because my hair is kind of short, but this way. And I use this. I have to buy a do-rag, but this will be okay now. As long as it's satin and it keeps your head off the blankets and stuff. Try to keep lint out of them and try to keep people from touching them when you first get it. So I'm going to do like a 2-week update or a month update to show you how my locking process is going. But this is right now, only had them for a day. So it's not going to be too much locking or any budding or anything. But just in case you want to know how they look when you first got them. Okay, that's it. Bye.